Hi, it's Caroline. Today we're touring a new construction home here in Palm Beach County. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home comes with a 2-car garage and just over 1,840 square feet of living space, and it starts right around $527. I'll highlight the upgrades that add to the base price, so let's take a look inside. When you walk in, it's a nice open concept, and you'll see over here to the left you have this flex space they're using as an office. You could enclose that, make it a 3rd bedroom. This is where you'd come in through the garage. You can bump that out another 4 feet and add attic space for storage. And then you can also make this the 2nd owner's suite. Right now it's just a secondary bedroom with the closet, typical wire shelving you'll get when you are purchasing new construction, depending on the builder. And then you can see that this full bath is being shared as the guest bath and that bedroom. But you can separate this. That's an option with this floor plan. You can enclose this space, which if you're using it as an office or just this open concept is great, but just keep in mind that you don't really have any other separate space besides the bedrooms when it comes to noise or somebody wanting to do something different. So here you have the kitchen that's open to the dining room, and then you have your covered lanai, nice size yard, and a pool, which would also be an upgrade. The kitchen looks pretty standard. That looks like a standard appliance package. Could be a little bit upgrade in cabinets. Again, wire shelving in the pantry. And that backsplash could be an upgrade, but not a ton in this one. I see the flooring throughout. That could be an upgrade. It probably is. And then the laundry with the cabinets. When we walk into the owner's suite, I love the fact that they took the flooring throughout and didn't change it too much. And you do have a nice size owner's suite and nice views of your yard when waking up, the way they have the layout set up here. And when we walk into the bathroom, you're going to see a few options. You have a linen closet over here, which you could extend these dual sinks all the way to the wall, removing this linen closet, but adding it into your clothes closet. And then you'll see you have the stand-up shower, water closet. That tile and that bench look like an upgrade, possibly the glass door. Wire shelving would come like that. But you do have a lot of space in here for your clothes. So really, it would just depend on if you want that linen closet in here. And then you could also take this and extend it out and take out that 2nd bedroom and make this whole like an owner's suite with a snore room or like a additional living space. It's your AC. And then here's the sink and additional cabinets, which would be an upgrade. Give you a quick look at the space one more time. Nice open concept, light and bright with all the windows. I really hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did find it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have a community or model you'd like me to feature, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to get to it. And if you have any questions on buying a home, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching. See you soon.